Hey nina man, imijolo yenu yaku-Facebook. Sondela nganeno. Hayibo, nasi story. Sondela nganeno. Hayi, nasi story. It's a story time. Facebook. Qhubeka nokuqoma ku-Facebook. Nina, isophela. Hello, sanibona nidumelang igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona isihambela le kude phezulu. Do join. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Yeah! Yes, guys, it's a story time. Remember, the stories that we are telling is for the entertainment, is experiences of you and I. Kanti-ke amanye they qamuka there from the DMs, from the hot box. If you have a story that you want to share with the rest of the world, either it's for entertainment purposes, either you are warning us on something, either you are creating an awareness or whatsoever, make sure that you hit my DMs because ngiyazi ukuthi akubona bonke abathanda ukuba phambi kwekhamera kanti-ke futhi-ke akubona abantu baseThekwini nabaseGoli kuphela abangilandelayo. Njengoba i-podcast nje ngithi mangiyishutha eDurban naseThekwini, so akubona bonke abantu abakwazi ukufikelela kumina. So abanye-ke they prefer ukuthi bangi-DM izitori zabo. Kodwa I want to tell you guys ukuthi just to prove ukuthi ziningi kangakanani iy'tori zangempela engizitholayo from real people that are coming from ey'ndaweni ey'kude. One day I will make a plan, ngibize umuntu wakude. I will make our means. I know God will help me do this. Ngibize umuntu wakude owasifundisa or create awareness or wasipha istory esimnandi to a point that we learned from it. And lokho-ke ngizokubona ngokuthi wena uma ukhomenta kuma-comment section ukhomente into ephilile. Ngiyacela guys, if you don't like what we're doing here, you don't like our story time, there is no need for you ukuthi usithuke usibize ngamagama. There is no need for you ukuthi uthuke abanikazi bestory. Khomenta nje ngokuphilileyo ngoba sizokwakha umphakathi ophilile. Kodwa-ke okubalulekile ukuthi njengamanje it's a story time. Sondela nganeno. It's a story times are fun times. At least esanamhlanje asingidepresi nakancane. You can see with a smile in my excuse my voice. It's a little bit hashy because I've got flu. Ngizwe kuthiwa ubophuza isitone uma une-flu. Kodwa siyiphuza ibanda yini? Imnandi yona. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, become a channel member. Siphephela nama-super thanks. Just spare that 20 randanyana, that 10 randanyana from your airtime and do join our beautiful community of life graduates. Asumo girls Sandile. I'm from Gooks. Ndingumxhosa mntana sekhaya, ndingumxhosa qho wakwaQho. Ndipha kwesaseGugu lethu. Yabona pha ndibumelwanenyana, ndibumezanyana nosis Brenda. So sondela mntase, sondela sisandi. Le ndaba le isandifraza till this day, even though ndazikhupha kuyo, isandifraza na till this day. Because ama-incidents angalamini, they left me amadoda. Okay, Utumo girl, sisandi le ndaba it's still very new. Iyenzeke nje last year. Cabanga nje baseku-2025 nje phakathi nendawo mina ngoDisemba kwakufanele ngabe ngangigroova ko-waterfront, ngigudla, ngitotosha ko-waterfront by umuntu wami engangimthole ku-Facebook. And I thought ukuthi, wow, I just hit a jackpot. Okay, uthi sisi, I'm from Cooks. I'm a young, beautiful young lady. Ngiyazizwa, ngiyazithanda, ngiyazibona. Uyabona nje, ngiyazithola vele ngoba vele ngiyatholakala. Okokuqala, ngiyahaslisha sisandile ngale ndlela. I'm not employed full time, but ngiyahaslisha ngazo zonke indlela. Angilali ngingadlile and I afford anything that I want to afford in this life thing. One, ngile nto abayibizwa ngerana. Those of you who are looking for employment opportunities, consider being a runner if you love fashion. So i-runner ke ilabantu laba engithi mina manguzandile ngikunqena ukuhamba ema-malls, ngikunqena ukuhamba esiphithiphithini. I will just call somebody who's called a runner, ahamba ayongenzela leyo shopping leyo angibuyele into engiyifunayo. Ukuthi that's number one engikwenzayo, I'm a runner. Okwesibili engikwenzayo, I do ama-lunch packs for kids. You know, working mothers, working families, working couples are busy. They don't have time to be creative with ama-snacks abantwana abawaphatha esikoleni. So I make sure ukuthi I pre-pack lunch packs that are healthy and that nutritious for abantwana in the area. You know, those children abafunda kulezi zikole lezi ezo top notch, ilunch yakhona echeckwayo ukuthi umntwana uphethe ini. So that is my second hustle. That's what I do. So ngumuntu ongalali nje. Eyesithathu i-hustle engiyenzayo ke, I'm a makeup artist. Oh, and damn, I do that damn very well. I'm a makeup artist Sandile. And eyokugcina ke engiyenzayo ke, uma nje ke ngithole isikhathi, whenever I feel like I want to do it, I'm a bottle girl. Bottle girls yabona laba bahamba emaklapini benze so. I don't know whether bayapromote or benzani ukuthi I do that only when it's a dry month and I'm really bored. It's not something that I do all the time, you know. So yeah, so I do all those things, and sometimes I sell the makeups to the clients, and I also do sometimes sell hair when I happen to find a good stock somewhere that is reasonable price because I'm looking to make profit. So I'm just an all-round hustler. So uthi ke vele ku-Facebook ngibhizi ngoba phela angeke ngibe i-runner, angeke ngibe izo zonke lezi zinto engikubalele zona sisandi ngingabi on social media. So I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm everywhere. You find me everywhere, and everywhere when you see my profiles, I look beautiful. Remember, I'm a makeup artist. How can I be a makeup artist and use filter? When I post, I have to use my makeup face bits so that people can actually see what I can create. So there's this guy again. Uyangilandela this guy. It's been a while umo guy engilandela ku Facebook. So uma ngilandela umo guy, I pick up somewhere here and there. Not ukuthi I pick up, but uthi she picks up mese bexoxa. Okay. Uthi umo guy uyangilandela ku Facebook, umo guy une-following nje good. Angimazi noma naye content creator or what, but I noticed uthi following yakhe is good, and umuntu ozibhekile ozithandayo makaposta noma nje noma aba-pictures wakhe mawungena kwi-wall like, hey, she looks like somebody who's living a lavish lifestyle. Okay. So umogai ke uthi hayi siyalandelana up until the day umogai ngimbone gulukudela kuma-DMs wami after I've posted a very beautiful picture of mine when I was I had just been doing some running work on that particular day, and I found myself picking up a beautiful dress, a simple beautiful dress. So when I got home, I decided to create content. Sorry guys, I've got flu. So when I got home, I decided to create content ngenza ubuso, ngashaya a nice face bit, and then ngagqoka le ngubo, ngashuta ngaposta, nga-uploada. Hey, uthi guy, that night, that day, wavele wagulukudela kuma-DMs wathi, sure, I have been following you for a while. I think you've noticed, and you are such a beautiful lady. Where are you from? Siqale ke sikhulume ke manje. Thamuya hayi. Uthi ngiqale ngemzibe kuqala. Kodwa ukuhamba kwesikhathi eventually agcine ke bekhuluma nje. Up until aze athi that particular day uthi bakhuluma kuma-DM uthi up until i-conversation yabo bayivale ngokuthi athi the way you are looking so beautiful today, I feel like spoiling you. Athi omunye, be my guest. Uthi ngisho ngiyayidlalela nje. Uthi abuze komunye ukuthi-ke where are you from? Bese yasho ukuthi I'm in South Africa. Athi, oh, okay. So in South Africa you use which banks? Okay. Athi, do you have a PayPal? What international exchange don't la engakufakela khona imali? Do you have PayPal? Do you have M-Pesa? Athi, I have PayPal, but uthi aqala mzibe acabanga ukuthi hayi it's one of those guys abaheha amantombazane ngemali. Uthi amzibe kuze kube a day later uthi ngijoke ngithi mina ngenzela i-cash send. Athi, I am not in South Africa, so I wouldn't be able to do a cash send for you. I can only send you either via Western Union or MoneyGram or any other, or PayPal if you have one of those. uthi omunye, okay, alright. Abese athi usisi, hhayi ithumele via u-Western Union. Those of you who don't know what Western Union is, it's like a bank, but ukwazi ukulanda imali ya-international ephuma out of the country, because uMogai uthi was introduced njengo-somebody who is based in UK. Uthi-ke mzuzwana kuphele nje a day or two bengaxoxi, and then athi uthi uyabona, hhayi bo, nangemsendela iy'namba zakhona zase-Western Union. Athi use your ID to go and collect this money. Uthi hawu, hhayi bo, makafika e-Western Union, ilokhunjani uthi bisho into le ayisendileyo ke ukuthi ibisho ukuthi umsendele 350k pounds. 350k pounds, guys. So 350 pounds. Yo, sengithi K njengathi South African rands. 350 pounds. Uma uconverter, it gives you about 9,000 some change. I don't know ke last year, kodwa these days i-pound to rand exchange is about 23 rands. So ngithe mangiyi-calculator, ngibuka i-story lesi, yanginikeza close to 9,000 some change. 350 pounds. Cabanga, let's just allow 350 pounds. Uthi okay, hayi ingithuse lento, kodwa hhayi ngithi hhayi angeke ngize ngikuyeke ukuspoyila, yimi lo angicishisa izithende, ngibheke e-Western Union-ke. So uma ngabe uyikhipha imali-ke lapha-ke kune-exchange fee abaku-charge-a yona-ke. Uthi ngifike ngiyikhiphe-ke imali-ke. Azange asho ukuthi wathola malini-ke mengabe last year wathola malini meseyi-convert-ile. Kodwa I think they charge about 15% of what you have received, something like that, 15 or 10%. Azange basasho ukuthi kubekwe imalini yakhe. Okay, fine, kumnandi la ekhaya, kumnandi la ekhaya, baqhubeka bakhulume on DMs up until uMogai azacela inamba, and ngeke ungasayikhipha vele inamba. Ngithi usuphiwe nemali. Hey, ngeke ungasayikhipha inamba. Uthi nje akuphelanga, uthi kwaphela u-2 days emnika inamba engafoni. Uthi naye wathi ngoba ngimnika inamba, othe ngidonsa iy'nyawo kancane kuma-DMs ngoba phela ba-chat-a via u-Messenger nje isikhathi esiningi, ngoba ngithi bahlangane-ke ku-Facebook. Okay, ngathi ukudonsa iy'nyawo kancane. Uthi makaqeda ukudonsa iy'nyawo kanjalo, uthi in 2 days time uMogai wafona uthi, hhayi, mangithi hhayi, nayi international number iyavela. He? Plus what, I don't know-ke inamba yase-UK ukuthi kuvela u-plus bani mangabe bekufonela khona. Angaze ngifonele from UK. So uthi kwavela-ke ukuthi hhayi it's international, uthi ayiphakamisa ifoni. Hhayi ubhuti une-accent, so i-accent yakhe iyi-mixture, ngazi ukuthi unalesi ngisi lesi sama-Black American, kodwa futhi uyezwa ukuthi it's somebody who's been to Africa. So ambuze-ke, where are you from? Uthatha omunye, originally I'm from Kenya, my mom is Kenyan. I grew up in Kenya, but my father is Nigerian. Oh, okay. Nango futhi, okay. Right, ubaba wakhe is Nigerian, kodwa nje uthi i-life yakhe yobungane uyispende kakhulu eKenya. So he moved from Kenya and went to the US. eNigeria nje ubeya ngokuvakashela ubaba, kodwa okusalayo ujolofu lo sithetha ngaye. Okay. Uthi hhayi-ke kube mnandi kube nje yaya. Uthi nje sekuyinhlala yenza nje umlisa-ke nje uvele ahlala athi uthi uyabona nje ukuthi galakada. Uthi galakada u-100 pounds, galakada 150. Uthi sekuyinhlala yenza nje uhlezi engipha nje imali, yabo akana-stress nje, uyangipha nje iy'mali ey'ncane okuwukuthi zincane kuyena, kodwa mayifika la e-South Africa i-convert-a iba imali yangempela ebhadlileyo. Okay, fine. Uthi kuqhubeke-ke. Uthi yonke lento sisandile yenzeka around March last year. So uyacabanga, siyafonelana, siya-FaceTime-a, siya-Zoom-a, senza konke nje ongakucabanga. Lokho esisuke sifile ukuthi sifuna ukukwenza, senza ngisho nama-appointment. Ungisendela ngisho ama-meeting appointment, nini. Ngibone sengithola i-invite ukuthi ngi-invite-wa kwi-Zoom. Kumnandi nje, ngiyamazi umlisa, ngiyazi ngisho i-room yakhe la ehlala khona uyangikhombisa mes-video call-ana, azungeze indlu, angibonise ukuthi uhlala kephi, wenzani. Noma sebumnandi nabangani bakhe aze angi-introduce, he is my woman, is South African. Yabo kumnandi nje. Uthi okay, kube mnandi, kugcine beze bebuzana-ke wenzani. Amchazele ukuthi I do this, I'm a hustler, I do this, I do that. Athi, yeah, I've seen your Facebook ukuthi your work is really beautiful. I wanna support you. How do I support you as far as I am? Athi omunye, I'm not sure how can you support me, because okokuqala umuntu wesilisa, you don't do makeup. Okwesibili, you are far. Athi, I've got South African friends who are based there. So if they have events, I'll just let you know, and then I can just hook you up with those people. Then you can go and do makeups. Uthi uMarch, uApril, uMay, uJune siyafonelana nomuntu wami siyaxoxa, and uyasho ukuthi ukujwayela ukuze South Africa, kodwa it's just that at the moment akakobi nayo i-trip ezomletha eSouth Africa anytime soon. uJune, uJuly, uthi mazithi August, athi I might be coming to South Africa very soon. Uthi ngibe excited ukuthi ngizobona umuntu wami, ngizobona umuntu wami. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share njalo. Okay, August umuntu lo uthi uzongibona. Remember usisi usegugu lethu. Okay, fine. Athi-ke umuntu uzozombona kube mnandi, athi kodwa i-date akakobi nayo sure. So uzomtshela uma esewazi ama-dates esebhukhile everything, he will definitely like to spend a week, one of the weeks with him. Okay. Hhayi uthi hayi nami angina-stress-ke vele kade ngidla nemali yakhe. I would love to see umuntu akade engispenda kangaka kumina. Uthi ngithola ngisho ama-gifts, uyasenda izinto, ngivele ngibone nje esengisendela i-waybill number, ngihambe ngiyo-collector u-courier guy, untontontoni, izinto ezisendwayo, ngihambe sengiyolanda and futhi uma ngisendele into-ke yena ungisendela something, and then abese ngisendela nemali engizoyikhipha ngayo. Ngithi uyazi uma ngabe uzolanda izinto kuma-customs kuba nala fee ya-international ntontoni. Uthi nje akanqeni nje ukungisendela i-gift, abese athi nje va ngo-350 ngaphezulu or ngo-250 sometimes ngo-500 athi the rest is yours, but eyama-customs. Uthi hayibo kumnandi for months and months and months. I am in love, siyakhuluma nalo muntu, siqephuke size sihleke, sikhulume kuphela ama-hours and hours on end. We even do i-sex phone. Okay, so yeah, uthi senza zonke lezo zinto-ke, kumnandi nje, kumnandi. Uthi asho, okay, uthi hhayi-ke ngibe excited August njalo, okusho ukuthi ngibe excited ukuthi umuntu wami is coming anytime soon. Uthi hhayi kubo August, kubo September, ngoSeptember aconfirm ukuthi he's coming to South Africa in December. The reason is coming to South Africa in December, remember uthe unama-friends nama-family there somewhere in South Africa, azange asho ukuthi kephi. So abese aconfirm ukuthi the reason is coming to South Africa, it's because uyashada, because one of the cousins uyashada ngoDecember. So uzoza for i-wedding, and then loyo wedding azoyi-attenda uzohlala for a while, and on that same time efikile ucela ukuthi aspende a week with me, one of the weeks that is going to stay in South Africa. Apparently uzohlala nje almost December up until gamanxa January. So one of the weeks cela ukuyispenda nami. Anginankinga mos, kumnandi mos, sesijwayelene nje futhi sengize ngiyamthanda kahle kahle. Sengize ngisemathandweni nomuntu engakaze ngimbone, engigcina nje ukukhuluma naye kuma-video calls. Okay, fine. Nje sihamba isikhathi-ke, hhayi-ke manje sebeya-prepare-ke manje phela, uyatatazela-ke nje. Uyayibona leya nto ethi gugumu gugumu ukuthi umuntu wami uyeza. Excuse me, sekunaleyo nto nje ukuthi kumnandi. Uthi September, kubo September, kubo November, uthi sengibala amalanga, ngibala amaviki, ngathi nesikhathi sihamba kancane ngizobona umuntu wami. Uthi makuphakathi noNovember athi the cousin lo oshadayo is u-cousin wesifazane. So because wenza i-makeup usisters, ucela ukuthi amsupport, ucela support ibhizinisi lakhe ngokuthi kube uyena oyokwenza i-bridal party i-makeup. Athi omunye hayibo, kanti ukephi umshado? Athi umshado use-Cape Town. Awu, angithi vele bayazana ukuthi nawo use-Cape Town. Umshado use-Cape Town. You're gonna be in Cape Town. Oh my gosh, and this man is so amazing. So amazing. A man that supports my hustle. You understand what that means? Man, ngicela niyibambe le ukuthi akuve kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu wakho wesifazane uma ihustlishe nebhizinisi na whatever, refer that woman, support that woman. Women love that. So uma girl is excited, happy ukuthi le ndoda ayigcini ngokungipha imali ingakazi ngibone, ingakazi ilale ngisho nami, sigcine ngokucabuzana over the phone, sigcine ngokuchamisana over the phone. Kodwa this man ikwazi ukuthi on top of ukuthi ingiphi imali, iphinde ifuna ukungibona ngiprogressa in life, support ibhizinisi lami. Uthi athi I'm going to pay you for ukuthi usupport ukuthi uyokwenza i-bridal party i-makeup. So my cousin has got 9 brides in total. So kusho ukuthi uzokwenza i-makeup abantu abawu-10 including my mother-in-law, right? Okusho ukuthi abantu abayi-11 labo azohamba yobenza i-makeup. Uthi uSisters ngibuke ngibone ukuthi abantu abawu-11 baningi. For my work to be perfected, I will have to bring in an assistant that is actually going to assist me to do to do abanye abantu, so that I can actually be able to spend an hour doing the bride just before the wedding starts, because apparently the wedding was going to start ngabo 10. So okusho ukuthi sisters fanele bavuke way too early in the morning from Cooks to town la umshado wawuzokwenzela khona. Wayenikiwe ke indawo la ukuthi uzokwenzela kephi umshado. Okay, fine. Uthi a week before ezotravela eze South Africa ambuza ukuthi yini enye oyidinga ushoda ngayo. Are you okay? Do you have a car? Athi omunye anginayo imoto. I'm just hustling, so whatever I'm doing. So maybe into engayidinga njengamanje, because it's gonna be very early in the morning, I will have to schedule my ride prior, so that I will find a driver that is actually going to be comfortable to come and pick me up, ngoba ngisho siyazi ukuthi abantu bama Uber bayakwenza ubugebengu, bayabanjwa. So uma requesta too early in the morning, sometimes abanye yabo ababe comfortable, especially if you are going into a remote area like the area la I mentioned ukuthi umshado ozokwenzela ngakhona endaweni zama suburbs, singazi ukuthi uyobabamba yabo. So uthi athi into ongangenzela yona ukuthi, ngoba wambuza mos ukuthi udingani, mawubuza ukuthi udingani nawe uyasho phela ukuthi udingani. Into ongangenzela yona on the day of the wedding, please arrange the athi ungangipha imali ye-Uber for that day. Now ibambe la, khumbula ukuthi njengoba ebethi uyamsupporta for ukuthi uzokwenza i-bridal party, umkhokhelile for that. Uthi wamkhokhela in advance 100% payment plus imfalakahlana lezi ajwayele ukumupha zona o-350 obani ngaphezulu, or 350 pounds balabo. So nje uthi in total imali leya ndoda athi mase eyiconverter for low bridal ntontoni, uthi yayila close to 18,000. Cabanga usemkhokhelile 100%, waphinde wamupha imali ngaphezulu. Usambuza ukuthi udingani on the day ezomenza ukuthi abe right. Uthi lo uzoshoda nge-Uber, and lo Uber kufanele ayischedulishe ride yakhona, ngoba kufanele avuke ngo-2 AM in the morning. Aqala hamba olanda i-assistant yakhe, umuntu ozomlekelela, and then bese be-driver, mhlampe iba-drive Uber ngabo around 3 ibasa kwi-venue, or la omakoti abalele khona, ngoba apparently i-venue leyo it's also some kind of a lodge, so inendawo yokulala. So yeah, omakoti babelele lapho-ke vele on the venue, kodwa umakamakoti wayengalalanga lapho. So akufanele baqale bayovusa umakamakoti bamenze, and then baye kulaba bese beya kulaba abaningi. So okusho ukuthi kwakuzoba Uber kufanele kube ubezo imali ihambe balinda. Acele lokho ukuthi nangempela uthi hawu avele galanqa 500 pounds. Awu usungenile, kuthiwa ayikhululeka mamazi, wena sort out ukuthi wenza kanjani. Uthi hayi nangempela ngiyischedulishe i-ride yami kuze kusale ngisho ushintsha. Hhayi-ke asina stress-ke, ngivele umogeni lo ngisizayo ngithi akavele azolala kumina straight, ngoba vele kahle kahle ukulala sizokulala kuncane anyway. Uthi mazithi 2 AM 2:30 sesikendleleni, siyokwenza umakamakoti, sifike simenze 1-2 siphume kumakamakoti, siguludele kwi-Uber. Masiguludela kwi-Uber sesiyahamba sesiyokwenza umakoti nethimba lakhe. Masifika lapha ivela kulelwe like they've been partying, because phela kumnandi ne. Akulaleki-ke mani baningi guys, makuzoba nento emnandi nje. So uthi vele masithi siyafika vele abalele bahleli basilindile, abanye bayiphuzela, kumnandi nje bachillile. And it's a summer wedding phela, uDecember yabo. Uthi hawu sifike siqale ngama-brides, sibuze obani abafuna ukuqala, sithi 1-2. Uthi kwathi kuqambe zithi nje 6-7 ngase ngidila nomakoti nje, sengingasafune lutho olunye, ngoba phela angifuni futhi ukuthi abe late ngoba umshado uyaqala ngo-10. Hawu umakoti uthi nje umakoti wakhona nakhona is not a fussy person. Uthi akamuhle umakoti, she's got a beautiful skin. Uyambona ukuthi umakoti ilabantu abahle, abagezwe imali, abatotoswayo, abanesikhumba ntofo because of imali, yabo. Uthi hawu, uthi nje futhi funny enough umakoti unomoya omuhle, umnandi lo muntu, we get along just fine. Uthi umakoti sesiyancokola siyahleka, sengazi ukuthi sikade sazala nomakoti, ngibhizi ngiyamenza nje, uyacela ukuthatha nama-breaks, yabona nje uthi kumnandi nje, sijilile futhi sisike esikhathini, we are not late for anything. Uthi hhayi-ke ngimenze ngiqede umakoti, sithi mazisi nje ngizoshaya o-9 kanje, sengiqedile ukwenza umakoti. Hhayi-ke, bese ngithi-ke before ngizomenza izinto zasemlonyeni nani nani, athi ucela ukuthola something to eat because asafuna ukuthinta into edliwayo after that. Uthi hhayi-ke abamlethele something to eat, axubhe, makaqeda ukuxubha, bese ngiyamfaka-ke iy'nto zasemlonyeni-ke phela manje sathinta lutho, se-ready for the big day. Uthi hhayi-ke sizwane nomakoti to an extent ukuthi aze athi ucela ukuthi sihlale singahambi. And I must ask labelele khona ukuthi if we need anything, utshwala, ukudla, whatever, we can go and have breakfast with the rest of the bridal party. Anything that we need. Si-right, thina yibo siziphethe iy'nto zokugqoka nathi ayikhuleka ni-right nje, it's not a problem. Uthi hhayi-ke vele we're not looking too shabby anyway, because if you're a makeup artist phela nawe fanele noma uyangena phakathi kwabantu abantu ungene bakwethemba ukuthi hayi, we're not bad. So we stayed anyway, because futhi umakoti gave me an offer ukuthi after the wedding, when everything is done, they've got a private photo shoot ayi-organizile for yena nomyeni wakhe nabazali. So kuleyo private photo shoot uzobe emane eshintsha izinto zokugqoka ezingafani. So ucela ukuthi ngihlale ngoba I'll probably have to change the lipstick, change the shades here and there, and just do some touch-ups. And uthi nje futhi ngathi ngisangabaza, ngisacabanga ukuthi ngiyavuma or hhayi ukuthi ngatshaziswa yini, kodwa nje ngisafuna ukuyizwa ukuthi hawu, wayekhipha imali usise enginika futhi nje azange abuze nanokuthi imalini. Wayekhipha imali extra nale engiyi-charge-ayo, engayibali nokuyibala, wabengithi nje fu ngo-3,500, wathi le eyantambama for le photoshoot esizoyenza ntambama, for me only, it's only me le ozobe ungishintsha amantontontonto, wamnika u-3,500. Uthi ngayithatha le mali ngayibuka, uthi wasayabo incane, oh I'm so sorry, I did not ask the rates that you charge. Wathi I know it's fine. Uthi ngathi ngisasho njalo ukuthi no it's fine, waphinde wathi fu omunye 1.5, hayi bo sengino 5,000 rand extra guys. Okay, kumnandi la ekhaya. Uthi hhayi-ke bahamba-ke bayongena-ke bahamba-ke bayothola i-breakfast-ke. Uthi sadla sa-chill-a, sa-relax-a, samnandi, saze sabiza ngisho izinto iziphuzo ezihlwahlwazayo ezihla kamnandi, sa-right. So sesihleli-ke nathi sesama-guest kamakoti abalulekile nje, amane check-wa weta wakhona shuthi wanika i-instruction ukuthi I've got guests that were not on the guest list, but because vele kusho ukuthi isibalo sasivuma, so wayesiyacela ukuthi abamane bebanaka nje with iziphuzo nokubadinga nani nani. Uthi sose-right, simnandi, sekuvele kwasekhaya nje, nathi sesiyacula, siyashabashaba, kumnandi, sesiya-enjoya, sekusemshadweni nje yabo, sekungazi ukuthi umuntu esimazi kudala oshadayo la. Uthi okay fine. Sihambe-ke isikhathi-ke, uqala umshado, uthi ukudileya kancane umshado-ke. Angithi uyazi-ke emshadweni-ke there's always a delay. Uthi mina ngangiqedile ngomakoti eredi, angiyazi yayidelay-sa, kodwa uthi wathi ukudileya kancane umshado waze waqala ngabo-11. Hhayi lapha sina-stress nje ngoba phela si-right, sineziphuzo, sidlile, sisuthi, yini esishoda ngayo. Uthi hhayi uyazi ukuthi uma kushadwa mos kuqale kungena umkhwenyana phela. Qale kungena umkhwenyana, and uthi this was a white wedding. I-white wedding yabantu abasonta kula masonto a-strict, amakhatholika anemithetho ekufunde yini kuthiwani, kuyafundelwa ama-Roman, khona izifundo ezenziwayo uma bezoqala abashade before uqale kwenziwe nje enye izinto eziningi ezi-different. Uthi indlela abona ngayo kusho ukuthi it's either umakoti or umkhwenyane wayebhilonga ema-Roman, because kwenziwa lezo zinto-ke. So leyo mshado abantu abayaziyo leyo mshado yasema-Roman, ekuseni uma ngabe izokwenziwa uba very formal. Umkhwenyana mengena nomakoti nje bangena bazihambele nje straight, akuna-step, akuna-music, akunanto nje eningi, ngoba they respect that part of the ceremony. Ukuthi-ke hhayi-ke mawusho-ke umqwinkwizo-ke lo slight and smooth-ke ongenisa umkhwenyana nkwi, whatever that was playing on the background. Uthi angene umkhwenyane, sisandile, angene umkhwenyane, akamuhle, aka-cute umkhwenyane, izicathulo, i-suit is expensive, you can see ukuthi amasuthi anamagama lawa, anamagama aney'bongo oJoJo what. Uyayibona ukuthi le akuyona yasemzansi. Uthi hayi bo, ahamba umkhwenyana ahambe, uphakathi nesonto-ke manje, ne-hallway la kushadelwa khona. Uthi umkhwenyane kwenzeke nje aphenduke phela abheke ngaseyihlweleni. Ola lo ngebekahamba athi umkhwenyana bekahamba nje angimnake nakumnaka mina ngifuna ukuzibonela ibride kade ngiyenza ubuso ukuthi ibukeka inhle kangakanani manje isigqoke nengubo yayo yomshado-ke. I'm sure ukuthi nje uyanyisa straight umakoti vele nami ngimenze wamuhle mina ngijaha ukuzibonela umakoti. Uthi umkhwenyane athi nje ngaseyihlweleni, hayi sisizandile, akuyona i-boyfriend yami ebeyingiphi imali ebesividiyo kholana nayo le yase-UK eshadayo today, engize emshadweni wayo today, le ethe kumina kushada ukhazini, yabhadalela ukhazini for ukuthi ngenze imake. Hayi Zandile, i-boyfriend yami nje le. Uthi ngisho kuthiwa izinto ziyafana, i-boyfriend. Uthi kwavele kwenzeka ngoba ngi-shocked, I'm like super shocked, ngimbheke ngqo emehlweni. Uthi kwavele kwenzeka our eyes locked. Uthi nje our eyes locked. Uthi hayi emfaneni, amahloni emfaneni, amahloni emfaneni. Awusazi manje noma usafuna nokuqhubeka nokuhamba noma kusahambeki. Uthi angazange asisandile ngezenzani. Uthi ngajuluka kwaluma izinza, kwaluma iy'nwele, kwaluma amakhwapha. Uthi ngajuluka. Uyacabanga ukuthi lo muntu I am super excited ukuthi he is in the country, and ngayizolo a day before ebengibuza ukuthi ngiredi yini, engibuza ukuthi ngishoda ngani, wangithumelela imali ye-Uber nayo yonke lento le. Mina I'm actually excited ukuthi lo muntu lo ngizombona a day later as we have planned. Usho njalo kumina ukuthi a day later after the wedding, because ifamily izobe imdinga kufanele abe busy njani, a day later uzongibona. Now jiki nali phela isoka lami la ka-Facebook elingiphi imali esiwhatsappana nayo esividiyo call, yilo lelo eshadayo. Uthi kushada ukhazini nje kushada yena uBoyo. Hayi abafana. Uthi hayi uqhubeke umshado bazenze zonke lezi zinto, baguqe bathandaziswe bafundiswe bathole zonke lezi zinto ezenziwa emaRomeni. Uthi uyabona-ke manje at this point sengihlise umoya into a point ukuthi sengiyaphuza nje one way ukuthi hhayi-ke whatever ukuphuzekayo ngivele ngiphuze. Mese kufika isikhathi sokuthi ngisebenze, ngizophuza amanzi ngithi ukusober up kancane, ngenze lento umakoti angikhokhela ukuthi ngiyenze ngoba phela usengikhokhelile. Mangiqeda lapho ngiyahamba. Uthi hayi benze uphele umshado lo formally, kuhanjwe kuyongena kwi-reception area, sekushawe iy'tephu-ke manje. Uthi hayi boyfriend yami shaya istep iziqethuke, bheka shaya istep iziqethuke. Kusho ukuthi-ke manje sivele yazitshela ukuthi fine lo muntu wami ukhona la, and so what the fricadelle, life goes on anyway. Uthi hayi muntu wami shaya ziqethuka, bo shaya istepha zaqethuka. Uthi lapho nami sengizitshelile ukuthi ngisephathini, let me eat, drink and be merry, there's nothing I can do about this situation. Uthi hayi-ke kufike-ke isikhathi sokuthi-ke kube i-photoshoot le private ayikhokhelwe umakoti separately specially. Uthi hayi ngihlise umoya ngivele ngihambe nje ngiyofuna amanzi, ngiphuza amanzi ngithi splash ubuso bami bese ngiyazithinta kancane nami phela ngibukeke right, ngingabonakali ukuthi sengine-stress. Uthi mangiqeda lapho ngingene emsebenzini, ngenza into engiyizele, angiserious. Uthi mangiqeda lapho umakoti-ke uthi before bazokwenza le special shoot, umakoti wambiza specially kule moment nje relaxed, wambiza uyam-introduce, oh this is my husband and like hi, I'm so and so the makeup artist, you have a beautiful bride. Uthi nje nami sengenza ukuthi yabo, uthi ne-guy le, oh thank you so much for making my wife look so beautiful. Uyabona nje sekuyilo umprithendo. Uthi kodwa ekugcineni kosuku ngathi imali yakhe ngiyidlile, ndiyikile sana imali yakhe. Ndiyikile imali yakhe, ndiyiqhobozile and andinawo ngisho no-doremi for that. Uthi sathi masiqeda lapho, qeda ukwenza lowo msebenzi, umakoti wayethi asihlale kunami ntontontoni braai, iya-close family and friends, nalapho wayethi asihlale. Angibange ngisakhuluma nelodwa, ngavele ngaqoqa amathuluzi ami, ngabiza i-Uber, sangena emotweni ne-Uber ne-assistant yami. Uthi ngathi mangifika endlini ngamdelete, ngambhlokha, angiphindanga ngakhuluma naye, ngathi I am not the one to wreck imizi yabantu. I'm no homreko. So uthi wathi nje angiphume kuye, i-life iyagozona. Bengi-enjoy imali yakhe and I was looking forward ukuthi ngispend isikhathi naye ngoba ethi use-South Africa for how many months, 7, 6, 8 months, xoxa nalo muntu. Nami bese ngisemathandweni. Inhliziyo yami siyayibuhlungu sisandile ngoba ngangicabanga ukuthi for the first time angitholanga i-scammer on Facebook, ngithola umuntu who's actually, who actually means life and who's a real deal in this loving thing on Facebook. Kanti umuntu uzongibizela umshado wakhe. Ngaphi na izingqondo? Ngazi I'm not Xhosa. Let me do not ruin it. Kodwa that is how our story ends today. Hlukanani nokujula ku-Facebook. Angazi ngoba nemali nenihlangana nabo estratini banigila kodwa kokusalayo ke engathi abaka-Facebook ba-special bandla. Engathi bapendwe ngomunye upende nje engingawu-understand ngoba hhayi izigameko zabo zona ziwathi mabenganigezisa izidumbu, mabenganicwiya amaphathi omzimba, mabengantshontshi angazi siyekeni kodwa lapho. Siyibambeni lapho nje. Sihlangane esitorini esilandelayo. Don't forget to send me a story if you've got a story to share and you don't want to be in front of the camera or you are very far from Joburg or Durban where I normally shoot the podcast, then you can send me a story. But if you've got a very interesting story, whether waqoma ku Facebook, whether waqoma ne-Nigerian, whether wagileka, and you can reach to Durban or Johannesburg, I would love to have that episode with you and be with you at the studio. And I promise not to laugh at your story. Not to laugh ezinkingeni zakho, kodwa-ke kuyahlekwa noma kufika, right? I love you. See you on the next story time. Love and peace.